What's your name? My name is Moon. Say Moon. Come on, high five. High five. Good job. I have here some flashcards, Moon. Are you ready to learn with Teacher Bella? Yes? Yes?
Yeah.
Yes, very good. Now, can you tell me what is this?
Tickle.
Oh, what?
Tickle.
Water. Very good. Good job. Do you like water?
Tickle.
Yes, I do. Okay? Come on. Yes, I do. Come on. Yes. Yes, I do. Now, what's this? Hmm? Hmm?
Yeah.
Milk. Very good. Do you like milk? Good job. Juice. Very good. Do you like juice? Yes, I do. How about this one?
Tickle.
Tea. Very good. Now, do you like tea? Good job. How about this one? Lemonade. Do you like lemonade? Do you like lemonade? Yes, I do. Very good. Do you like hot dog? Do you like hot dog? Yes. Oh, and candy. Do you like candy? Do you like candy? Yes. Very good. This one? Oh, very good. Do you like pizza? Do you like Oh, very good. Cake. Do you like cake? Do you like Do you like ice cream? Yes, I do. Good job. Do you like chocolate? Chocolate? Yes. Good job. Wow. And do you like cookie? Say cookie. Do you like cookie? Yes. Do you like cookie? Yes. Good job. Do you like Teacher Bella? Yes. Yes? Do you like Teacher Bella? Yes. I do. Very good. High five. Thank you so much for learning with me today, Moon.